Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Mac. So I'm going to go over today, Friday, March 28th, 2025, and show why I did not take this signal that led to this insane move down. So we came in already in a sell just before the open. We came back neutral. This is the open candle. Open candle is pretty strong down, and it actually did not print as a sell till like the very last 2 seconds. And this is right above this snow line that was acting as support. So this was not a good trade, and you can see very much was a stop out. Then we go neutral for one candle. Next candle is pretty good bearish and prints another sell. Reason I did not take this one is, one, we had news at 10 right here. This is the 10 o'clock candle. And the way this consumer sentiment news has been, it's usually shot up and then quickly wicked back down. So I expected a big move up from this candle. That's one reason. Another reason is this line and this area has served as support 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So this is a very strong support level. That's another reason not to take it. Third reason, this is one of my rules in my bag trading. You cannot take a signal candle if it's the first candle after a neutral close opposite the 21. This is a neutral candle that closes above the 21. Then the next candle is printing a sell going down. In my studying of this strategy and this indicator, this is normally not a good sell, good trade. And today I was absolutely proven wrong because we come straight down, go below the snow line, don't quite close below it, come back with news, but we don't quite get back to break even. So if we're break even here, we stay in the trade, and then we flush. Absolutely flush. This was over 400 points all the way to down here by the end of the day. This is the definition of a home run trade in day trading. So, I mean, with my setup, I take 2-1, so it wouldn't have been any different. But if you're one that trims and holds runners could be held for an insane profit today. So I did miss out, a little bit of FOMO, but I stayed true to my system. I did not take any other trades today. I had basically a neutral day. Yeah, I missed out on what I could have made, but I'm glad I did not take a stupid trade down here and get unnecessary stop outs. So I count that as a win today. So, yeah, in high strike, we were looking for this to be support. It ripped right through this level. It never even came back and touched the 21 until almost 2 o'clock. Just started to go flat after 2. So, absolutely insane day down. But we live to fight another day. We're going on to Monday next week, taking the weekend off. My plan is the same: take bag signals that fall within my rules. So that's my explanation of why I did not take these trades. I hope those of you watching will understand. This was total luck that this broke through and ended up being a giant win. Because everything I'm looking at says not to take this. Everything I was looking at said this is going to bounce and we're going to be coming back up. But I don't know if it was news or the Fed speakers or whatnot, but we just completely sold off. But anyway, on to Monday of next week. I'd love it if you liked and subscribed. I'm going to have more of these coming out. I just mainly wanted my high strike people to see why I did not take this trade. In fact, in our chat, when this was starting to print, I said, don't take it. This is not a good sell. And I don't know if any of them did or not, or if they waited until this break below this line, but I did not take it. So, like I said, for this week, I had 3 green days and 2 neutral days, 2 break-even days. So, great week overall. This account's still strong. I've got no drawdown on it at all. So, we're going to next week. Monday is going to be the 31st. Peace out.